Hi, this is Dan Stewart, and this is your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 13, 2010. Well, it was another up day on Wall Street today. The Dow was up 82 points to 10,545. The S&P was up 12 to 1121, and the NASDAQ was up 43 to 2285. The NASDAQ was a big winner, almost up 2%. The S&P was up 1, and the Dow was up 3/4. Oil was up 69 cents to 77.14, or 1%. Gold was essentially flat, up 50 cents to 12.45. Silver, though, was up 28 cents, breaking that $20 barrier. It ended up $20.08, up 1.5%. Copper was up 8 cents, or 2.5%, to $3.48. The volume on the New York Stock Exchange was fairly healthy at 3.7 billion. Its 30-day moving average is 3.9 billion. On the NASDAQ, it was almost 1.9 billion, and these are preliminary numbers, and its 30-day moving average is 1.9 billion, so it's right on track. On the Treasury front, yields were down, and therefore prices were up. Kind of surprising, makes you wonder if Bernanke and the Treasury isn't buying behind the scenes, because normally on a strong day, you'll see money going out of Treasuries and into stocks, making their yields go up and their prices go down, just the opposite of what we saw today. 5-year Treasuries 1.5%, 10-year 2.74%, and 30-year 3.84%. The US dollar was down against all three major currencies, the euro, the pound, and the yen. Over in Europe, it was strong across the board, most countries up between 0.5% to 1%. Although Switzerland was flat and Belgium was up 1.5%. Banks had a strong rally on the positive guidelines given out for financial institutions for Basel III agreement. Really? Seems more like a hall pass. And who's going to suffer? That's right, you got it, us the taxpayers. Also, the European Union raised their growth forecast for 2010. But they warned that it will likely slow in the second half of the year, hitting a soft patch. Wait a minute. Aren't we there yet already? The second half of 2010? Aren't they really trying to make us feel good, but telling us that their economy is slowing? Asia is up 1% to 1.5%, although lagging was Japan and South Korea, both up 0.9%. But Taiwan blowing it away today, up 2.5%. This was all based on Chinese indicators turning around this month and showing strength after having months of slowing news. The Chinese industrial activity came out strong again after months of weakness. And Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, came out and ruled out a double-dip recession. Well, there you have it. If Buffett said it, it's true, so we don't have to worry about a double-dip recession anymore. It's out of the question. I don't know. He's right a lot. I'm just not so sure this time he is right. I'd give it at least a 50-50 probability. And this has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, September 13th, 2010.